The tears sweat curve can be found in SASSE Library, Assets, Draw Curves. You can drag and drop it into your scene. And this is a transparent effect. This gives you the ability to draw curves that then are populated by, if it's a short curve, these sort of droplet type shapes, and if it's a longer one, these more drawn out type shapes. So this is the kind of thing that you would see kind of shooting out of characters' eyes when they're crying. You can also change the tint to be blue if you wanted it to be, more like water. You can make it red if it's supposed to stand in for blood, green for some kind of goo. You can change the radius, which will change the overall width of the end. And if we hit play, we can see that we have this sort of subtle movement effect that you often see when characters have tears welling up in their eyes. So you can use this as a pen tool to just draw a little bit of a tear forming around a character's eye and have it, grow into place.